go ahead and, oh, I have a little piece of skin there. If you have any pieces of skin and you're trying to get super close, which I'm not getting super, but they'll catch and be your gateway to flooding, so keep an eye on those. Ooh, look, you can see it kind of caught. All right, on these edges, if you want to get closer, you got to take product off your brush. You see where that little piece of skin, it's hard to see, but it barely touched the top coat. And ruining my life. That's good. If you float top coat, you may want to flash freeze between or jump hands back and forth, especially if you're floating over art. So keep that in mind. Those really perfect looks usually utilize some sort of bouncing back and forth, not just on the base application, but also the top, meaning you're not going to go and polish all 5 nails at once and not expect that gel to move if you're laying a generous amount.